morning all of you. In the previous lecture I have explained you about this tree in which the different concepts are there in this graph and definitions were there. So here now till null graph we have already seen. For to see about this graph, there is a no unique diagram which represents the graph. Now we obtain a variety of diagrams by locating the nodes in an arbitrary numbers. For following both diagrams represent the same graph. These two diagrams are here that is representing the same graph. Now in D of node, these are also concepts for this graph. The number of edges which have V as their terminal node is called as in degree of node V. Suppose this 4 is here, right? 4 is here. So here the terminal node is what? The 4, 2, 3, then 1. These all are the terminal nodes for this 4. So this the in degree of this node is what we can call the 3 is the in degree of this node. So out degree of the node is what? The number of edges which have the V as their initial node is called out degree. So V as the initial node of the out, so it is called the out degree. So total number of nodes, so sum of the in degree and the out degree of the node V is called its total degree or degree of vertices, we can say. Degree of vertex. So here the example is given here. The path of the graph is given here. We can say here what is the path here that is given. Some of the path from 2 up to 4 we have to go. So this 2 and we have to go to 4. So different paths are there that we can go from 2 up to 4. This is the path 1 that is going directly from 2 up to 4. This is a path 2 that is going from 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. That is 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. Now path 3, then 2 up to 1 and 1 up to 4 according to the direction. 2 up to 1 and 1 to 4. Now after this P to 4, path 4, sorry, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1, then 1 to 4. 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 and 1 to 4. Right? So path 5, now 2 to 3 and 3 to 2 and 2 to 4. 2 to 3 and 3 to again 2 and 2 to then 4. Then path 6, then 2 to 2 and 2 to 4. 2 self loop will be here, that is here given, then directly 2 to 4. So this is a path 6. So these all are the paths that we can follow to reach from 2 up to 4. Now let the G is equal to V comma E be a simple diagram such that the terminal node of any edge in the sequence is the initial node of the edge. If any appearing next in the sequence, that is defined as path of the graph, we can say. Digraph means what? Digraph is what? That is having the both type of edges, we can say. That is called a digraph. So here such that the terminal node in the sequence is the initial node of the edge, if any appearing next in the sequence, is defined as the path of the graph. Now length of the path is what? The number of edges appearing in the sequence of the path is called length of the path. So suppose अगर मैं बोलता 2 up to 4 में अलग अलग जैसे थे, तो suppose यहाँ से 2 to 3 और 3 to 4 जा रहा है, तो यहाँ पे 2 different edges are there, so 2 length of the path will be 2, right? So तो जितने edges आप यूज़ कर रहे हो उतने, that is will be the length of the path, we can say. Now here it is what it is given here. The simple path here it is given, that is edge simple. That is what in the diagram we can see here. The edges are distinct. In which the edges are distinct is called simple path or edge simple, we can say. So here the path 5, 6 are simple paths, here it is shown. ठीक है ना? तो डिस्टिंक्ट ग्राफ यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम लोग. यहाँ पे पाथ 5 एंड पाथ 6 देखते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, पाथ 5 एंड पाथ 6. So here given edges are distinct, right? Is called simple path or edge simple, we can say. The path 5 or path 6 are simple paths. Now here we will see here path 5 and path 6. Here 2 up to 3, 3 to 4, 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. Both are having the different directions, we can say. These two are what? These are two are distinct edges, we can say. Now 2 up to 2 and 2 up to 4. 2 up to 2 and 2 up to 4. So these two also are distinct edges. So these are the simple path, we can say. Right? Now elementary path, no simple. That is having which in which all the nodes through which it traverses is distinct. Again, to all the nodes through which it traverses is distinct. Are distinct is called elementary path. Now P1, P2, P3 and P4 are elementary path. P5 and P6 are simple but not elementary. Now cycle path which originates and ends in the same node. Ends in the same node, so is called. So here we can see here the C1 is equal to 2 comma 2, that is a single loop. C2 is equal to 1 to 2 and 2 to 1, that is starting and ending at the same node. Now here P1, P2, P3 are elementary path. How we are seeing that? So 2 up to 4, that is not having any distinct path. 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, that is given, that is not distinct. Then here 2 to 3 and 2 to 4 are given, so that 2 are distinct. So 2 to 1 and 1 to 4, that is also not distinct. 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 and 1 to 4, these also these are the elementary paths, we can say, right? After this cycle, now 2 up to 2, we can say, starting from the which node, when we have to end with the same node. We are starting with this 2 and ending at 2, so that is a cycle 1. Then this 1 to 2 we are going, and 2 to 1 again we are going, so that is also the cycle. Now after this cycle 3, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 and 1 to 2. 2 to 3, here we can see diagram, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 and 1 to 2 again, we can see. So this is also a cycle. Okay, so that is ending at the same node. Acyclic diagram that does not have any cycle is called acyclic diagram. Now directed tree, here it is given. Directed tree का mean क्या है यहाँ पे? Acyclic diagram that is not having a cycle, we can say, which has a one node, call its root. Here this is a root, right? So within degree 0, right? So with while all other nodes have in degree 1. In degree is 0. So in degree means कि ये किसी का terminal node नहीं है, so that's why in degree is 0. Degree 1 means at least, right? Have in degree 1. यहाँ पे इन डिग्री 1 का 1 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे 7 का 1 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे इसका भी 1 आ रहा है, सबका 1 1 तो है, सिर्फ V0 का नहीं है. Every directed graph